Hey guys, so quick video on how you can possibly reset your GE microwave. So the soft reset, you're going to press the off clear button, clear display, press off clear button for 3 seconds. This turns on the child lock, turns off, reset the cooking program to one you had set and press start to resume cooking. The hard reset, you want to unplug the machine for 1 minute or 2, plug the unit back in to reset any issues with the microwave's memory, and then reset the time clock by pressing clock and turning the dial to the correct time. When done, press enter, select the correct minutes as well, then press start button. So this is what you want to do, and to reset the GE microwave. I hope it helped you a little bit on how you can reset it and what you actually need to do. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and yeah, goodbye.